In this video, I will be showing you how to fix form fields errors in a YouTube video upload by walking through each required upload detail step by step. Let's get started. First, I open up my web browser and click on the address bar to search for YouTube. I select YouTube from the search suggestions or results, which opens the YouTube homepage. From the YouTube homepage, I navigate to the left sidebar menu and click on Your Channel to head over to my channel page. Once on my channel page, I go up to the top right corner and click on the Create button, then select Upload Video from the drop-down options. This opens up YouTube Studio and brings up the Upload dialog window. Next, I click on the Select Files button in the center of the upload window. A File Explorer window pops up, allowing me to choose the video file I want to upload from my computer. I locate my video file, select it, and click Open to begin uploading. As the video uploads, YouTube Studio opens the Details tab where various form fields need to be reviewed or completed to ensure there are no missing or erroneous details that could prevent publishing. I start by looking at the title field, which is automatically populated with the file name. Below that is the description box, where I can add a clear description or mention relevant channels. Scrolling down further through the upload details, I check the thumbnail section in the playlist section. Then I reach the audience section, which is a mandatory field. I selected the option, No, it's not made for kids, to properly set the audience requirement for this video. After filling out the required details on the details page, I click Next at the bottom right. This brings me to the Video Elements page, where options for adding subtitles, end screens, or cards are available. I click Next again to proceed. Next is the Checks page, where YouTube automatically scans the video for copyright issues. Everything looks good, so I click Next once more. Now I arrive at the Visibility stage. I scroll down to select how I want to publish the video and choose Public so everyone can watch it. Before finalizing, I navigate back to the Details tab at the top to review all fields one more time and make sure no required fields were missed. I scroll down to click Show More to access additional form fields such as AI content disclosures, automatic chapters, tags, language, and embedding permissions. After confirming that all form fields and settings are properly configured without any missing errors, I click back to the Visibility tab. Finally, I click the Publish button at the bottom right. A confirmation pop-up appears showing that the video is published along with options to share the video link. I close the pop-up and my newly uploaded video now appears listed on my channel content page, fully processed and error-free. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.